How to log into TikTok on PC. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your TikTok account using your PC. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if somehow you don't have your phone and you want to scroll on TikTok, you only have your PC, then you don't have to worry. I'm just going to show you guys how you can log into your account on your TikTok. But before getting started, like the video and subscribe. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to any web browser and search for tiktok.com and hit enter. So once you do that, you will be directly taken to the TikTok's official website. Once you land on your TikTok's page, what you need to do is you will see the login option on the top right corner, or you can find it on the left side of your screen. Just click on login and you'll have multiple options to log in with. So you can either use your phone, email, or username. You can continue with Facebook, or you can continue with Google, or even your Apple ID. And if you don't have an account, you can create one by signing up for a new account. Click on, I'm just going to continue with Google, and from here, you can enter all of your login credentials. I'm just going to choose my Google account and click on continue again. And once you do that, you should be able to log into your account. And if you have set any password for your TikTok, you will have to enter the password to log in. I have not done that, so I'll be easily able to log into my TikTok account. So to confirm that you are completely logged in, you can just check on your profile. So if you tap on view profile like this, you should be able to view your profile. And that's how you know that you are logged into your TikTok. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.